If you're trying to move money out of your Wealthsimple checking account and you're not exactly sure where to click, this video will walk you through it step by step. Let's get right into it. Start by opening the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look for your checking account on the main screen. Tap on it to open it up. Now that you're in your checking account, look for the button that says Transfer or Move Money. It's usually easy to spot. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you'll see a few options. What you want to focus on is choosing where the money is going. Under the To section, tap to select the account you want to send money to. This could be an external bank account that you've already linked, or it could be another account within Wealthsimple, like your investing account. Once you've selected the destination, enter the amount you want to transfer. Take a second here to double check the number, especially if it's a larger transfer. It's a simple step, but it avoids mistakes. Below that, you may also see options to choose the date and frequency. If you just want to send money once, you can leave it as a one-time transfer. But if you're planning to move money regularly, you can set up recurring transfers here. After that, tap Next. You'll now see a summary screen showing all the details of your transfer. This is your final chance to review everything, including the account, amount, and timing. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transfer. And that's it. If you're sending money to another Wealthsimple account, like an investment account, the transfer is usually instant. If you're sending money to an external bank, it typically takes about 1 business day, sometimes a bit longer depending on your bank. One quick tip here. If your transfer doesn't show up right away in your bank, don't panic. Give it at least a full business day before checking again. That's how you transfer money from your Wealthsimple checking account. If this helped, subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this.